Hello, it is M&I Travels and Food. First of all, I would like to say a few words about beaches in Athens. There are a few of them, quite a few, and one of the closest ones would be Kalamaki Beach, which is okay, but there are much nicer, which is a bit distance away. The Voliameni is beautiful, very beautiful. Our favorite would be Vula Beach, but just make sure you check if it's open. In this video, we will introduce you to a few places, so you will see what you can do in Athens if you are with kids, as a couple, or you're just on your own. You might enjoy it as well. And so that will be Allou Fun Park, a little bit of the zoo, and the Fairy Tale Cafe. So stay tuned. So the little park you can see now, that's a park for little ones. It's for kids between 3 and 9, and it has its own attractions, such as big carousel. There is a little falling tower for kids, happy trains, bumper cars, and whole area of enormous games, and many more. I would say your kids would enjoy it. And just across the road there is another park for adults and teenagers. There are thrill rides like Loop, Falling Tower, different roller coasters, water boat, to excite teenagers and adults as well. Here you will also find the only horror house in Greece, House of Fear Bodies, featuring real actors. Guys, I wouldn't recommend to go with small kids because it can be quite scary. I was there once and I don't think I will ever go again. But it's also fun as well, so you will enjoy it if you're not afraid of scary things. And both parks, you will find like food and drink options, like Everest goodies with variety of fresh salads, juices, coffees, pizzas. You can order hot food and you just sit down and chillax while you are in between the rides, waiting, relaxing. And as well as that, just to let you know, you can enjoy all the rides in Allou Fun Park and Kingdom as many times as you like with the daily pass. So I would recommend to buy a daily pass. And they also have such thing as 7D cinema, which is a great fun as well.
Махай людям ручкой. Еще раз.
Okay, as you can see already, we are in the Athens Zoo. It's called Attica. If you have a chance to go, I would highly recommend. There are so many animals. There is a delphinarium. I think it is 20 euro, or I will leave the link below anyway, how to get there. But there is literally like you can communicate, your kids can communicate to animals. As you see, my husband is with the goats and they surrounding him, so they actually, if you have any greens in your hands like leaves, they will occupy you. And I was a bit scared, but I would say your kids would love it. And there are lemurs and different types, elephants, rhinos, so many animals, giraffes. There is a place to eat as well, so it will be a brilliant day out. And I forgot to mention, when you pay an entry fee, you have a half an hour of dolphin show.
You do it.
So
They will
it's
eat me.
very nice, and I've say it again, I recommend it very much. And there is the last place for today we will tell you about. It's called Hans and Gretel. It's a very famous fairy tale cafe, and kids love it. And they have amazing bubble waffle cones. It's just very unique, and you can order different types of ice cream, and I've never seen anything like that for the last, I don't remember if I ever actually. And I love to travel, we travel a lot. There are bubble waffle cones with different fillings, soft waffle cones like with ice cream, different toppings. There are different sweets. If you don't like soft waffles, you can order the hard ones. And they're kind of novelty things, and everything just looks so magic. I'm an adult, and I've been there a couple of times, and there is a little room at the back of the shop. It looks like a little fairy tale house. You will see it on the picture, so you can sit down and have your tea, coffee, like soft drink, and your kids would be amazed. They would love it so much. That's the entrance. We couldn't sit down this time because there is already somebody. It's just maybe for a few people, you know, there are a few chairs. But this place I would recommend very much to go with your kids. So I hope you will enjoy all the sites that Athens can offer. So stay with us. If you like the program, please consider to subscribe, and we will see you soon again. It was M&I Travels and Food, and we are Irina and Margarita, and we wishing you all a very happy 2019, and we hope to see you soon. All the best!